Hey guys, and welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a squishy kit review. So I've seen a couple of really cool squishy kits lately that look like a ton of fun to make, and I'm so excited to see how these squishies turn out, and I really hope you guys enjoy. But first, if you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Alina. Be sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And without further ado, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so as always before we start, I'm going to take you down to my slime and squishy area where I can go ahead and pick up my supplies, but first I'm going to show you the guinea pigs. So here are the two piggies, Snickers and Cinnamon. They are both super sweet. Now I'm going to show you a couple clips of them running around in floor time earlier this week. Moving on, now I'm going to quickly show you all of the squishy kits that I'm going to be reviewing. So here's the very first squishy kit that I'm going to be reviewing. So this one is made by Squeezies, and I picked this one up at Target for around $10. So it looks like you can make 3 different squishies with this kit. So this one looks like a lot of fun, and I'm really excited to test this one out. So here is everything that comes inside the box. So you get 5 different colored markers, 3 super cute squishies, which are a donut, a hot dog, and a super cute teddy bear, and you also get some instructions. So the very first squishy that I'm going to be coloring is this super cute teddy bear. Now these squishies were actually very good quality. They were super soft and slow rising, and they were super fun to play with. Now when coloring the squishy, the instructions say to start at the top and to work your way down so you don't get any smudges. One thing I did notice when I was coloring these squishies is that the marker was rubbing off on my table and it was really difficult to scrub off. So when you do this, I recommend covering your surface with paper towels, or you can also try using saran wrap. And now that the teddy bear is all completed, I'm going to go ahead and start working on the donut. And finally, moving on to the last squishy from this kit, I'm going to go ahead and start working on the hot dog. Now that all 3 squishies are all completed, the instructions say to let the squishies dry overnight. So here are the 3 squishies all completed. I am so happy with how each of these squishies turned out. They all turned out super cute. I just love all of the bright colors and they were just so much fun to make. These squishies turned out super soft and slow rising and they were just so much fun to squeeze. So overall, I definitely recommend this squishy kit. So the next squishy kit that I'm going to be reviewing is made by Smooshy Mushy, and I picked this one up at Walmart for around $10. I thought this kit looked really fun because it's a super cute rabbit with icing and sprinkles on top. I just love the packaging of this kit. I just thought it looked super fun and I was really excited to try this one out. So here's everything that comes inside the kit. So you get one super cute squishy and 5 different colored markers. Now I'm going to go ahead and start coloring the squishy. So just like the last kit, I'm going to start from the top and I'm going to work my way down so I don't get any smudges. Now that the squishy is all completed, it's time to set it aside to let it dry. So this kit didn't come with any instructions, so I'm not really sure how long this is going to take, so I just decided to let it sit overnight. So here's the rabbit squishy all completed. I am so happy with how this squishy turned out. I thought it turned out super cute. I just love the icing on top of the rabbit. I thought that was a super fun idea and it was so much fun to color in. This squishy was actually very good quality. It was super soft and slow rising, and it was a lot of fun to play with. So overall, I definitely recommend this kit. So the last and final squishy kit that I'm going to be reviewing is called Orbs Slimy Cafe, and I picked this one up at Michael's. So the kit says you're supposed to buy 2 separate products, which are the squishy package and the extra icing package, and they were both $8 each. I thought this kit looked really cool because it's a cake squishy split into 3 different layers, and it says you could put the slime in between each layer of cake. I just thought this looked really fun and I was really excited for this one. So here is everything that comes inside the packaging. So you get 3 different layers of the cake squishy and you also get a slime starter pack. So on the packaging, the kit says it comes with a slime starter pack, so I wasn't really sure how much slime was going to come with this kit, so I decided to get the bonus slime package just to make sure I had enough slime to go in between the squishies. So now that I have everything unpackaged, I'm going to go ahead and start layering the slime in between the squishies. This squishy was actually very satisfying to squeeze. It felt so nice on my hands. It just had such a fun and unique texture, and it was just so much fun to play with. If you guys do get this kit, I definitely recommend getting the bonus slime package because the kit doesn't come with very much slime. Overall, I definitely recommend this squishy kit. I thought it was super cool how the squishy was separated into 3 different pieces and you got to put the slime in between the different layers. I just thought that was a super fun idea to mix squishies and slime, and I just had a lot of fun with this kit. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Be sure to let me know in the comments down below which squishy kit was your favorite. And again, be sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And if you guys like to check out my Instagram page, I'll be sure to leave a link down below. I hope you guys are having an amazing day and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!